What people are talking about make money online these days.
I'm going to show you how I make $1,000 a day using ChatGPT, and you can start doing this today even if you've never made money online before. Step 1. Head over to ChatGPT. We're going to use it to create automated content that generates cash. Think YouTube scripts, blog posts, or social media captions. Step 2. Take the content ChatGPT generates and turn it into short-form videos or posts. I recommend using platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You can record this yourself or use text-to-video creators like InVideo to do it all for you. Step 3. Monetize this content with affiliate marketing links. Pick a product related to your niche and then just plug it into your videos or posts. Every time someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. Check the link in my bio for a full step-by-step guide and follow for more tips.
Let's say you were searching for this term, make money online. Maybe you are looking to become a digital creator, a business owner, an entrepreneur. You have to have a list of requirements, because if you're going to put energy and time to build something that's going to sustain you over time, you need a strong foundation. So the first item in my estimation would be, do you control most of the components? If you outsource your creative capacity to ChatGPT, if anything happens to these assets, the entire ecosystem breaks apart. You don't have to control all of them. You can outsource technology, use technology. I'm not against AI, but you cannot use AI to replace yourself, but to enhance yourself. That's going to be, in my estimation, the good formula. Number 2, is it easy or hard to copy the structure, the system, the business, the creative endeavor that you're building? Because if you become successful, copycats will come your way. So when people try to copy you, what will they find? Will they find a very simple system that doesn't have your personal touch, and you can be easily replaced and you can lose everything because another contender will come and take your market share? That, for me, if the answer here is no, I would not get into that kind of business. Number 3 in my list would be, the system that I'm building has a direct relationship with paying customers, or I'm using anything to intermediate my relationship with the final customer. So in this video, for example, the system that's being suggested has a component called affiliate marketing. But affiliate marketing does 2 things with you. First of all, you will operate behind another brand, so you will never be a brand. Second of all, there is an entry barrier for you to become an affiliate. Reputable brands will not take anyone as an affiliate. You have to have a following, you have to have a reputation, you have to have some numbers, some requirements to be an affiliate of something that will generate some money, some traction. The 4th thing in my list would be, what's the entry barrier? Because if the entry barrier is low, that means you're going to put time and effort to build something over time, and you will never be in a position where you're going to be safe. But if the entry barrier is high, a lot of people trying to do that thing will give up over time and not even try to build that, because they will know beforehand that it's something that will require a lot of energy and time. Only top performers will dedicate time and effort to build that. So when I watch a video like this, the first thing that comes to my mind is that I see 4 no's based on my checklist of components to build a sustainable brand, a way of living, and I will not put time and energy to build something that is that weak.
Get rich with these 5 AI business ideas. If you're new to my stuff, I'm Dan Martell. I'm a technology entrepreneur. I've invested in a dozen AI companies. I coach about 50 plus, and I've helped many of my friends build AI business models. What I wanted to do is extract the 5 big categories that you need to consider to make millions of dollars in AI.
I have a warning for you. Every time you see a piece of content telling you how to make money online and get rich and some kind of stuff like that, I know that sounds very tempting, but always ask yourself this: if these people knew how to make money easy, simple, in a fast way, like millions, why would they ever tell you about it? That's a question you have to ask yourself, because you have to make a very important distinction here. It's very important to make this distinction. Are you listening to someone that's enabling you, giving you tools, teaching you something that's going to put you in the right direction to develop your skills and help you achieve your goals? Or are you listening to someone that's making money by telling you how to make money? There's a huge difference here.
It's the closest thing to free money. Every year, $3 billion of gift cards are unused. That's 10 to 20% of all gift cards sold. And so if you're a business owner, you can sell gift cards during the holidays knowing that 20% of that is just money that you get to put in your pocket and keep living your life.
Do you see yourself as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, as a CEO, as a solopreneur? Do you see yourself buying gift cards, expecting to don't sell 20% to put the rest of it in your pocket and just live your life? If you're okay with that, that's fine, but you have to be very critical about the foundations of what you're building. Another thing that I would recommend you to do when you're searching things online, especially some kind of keywords like make money online, is you have to fact check the statements, the affirmations, the information you're receiving. For example, one question that I would ask myself after watching a video like this would be, are unused gift cards allowed to reflect on your financial statements as revenue? The quality of your work will be totally dependent on the quality of your foundations. One good way to strengthen this foundation is to use books. How about books? It's way harder to write a book. The entry level here is way harder than to create a social media account and start creating AI videos, for example. So here's a short list of books for you to start studying business and how to build your brand and how to build sales systems and learn how to make sales and build this thing that's going to sustain you over time and make money. Spin Sell by Neil Racken, Ready, Fire, Aim by Michael Masterson, The E-Myth Revised by Michael Gerber, The Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco, and I would say Show Your Work by Austin Kleon. Add that to your arsenal. Develop this critical mindset, this critical thinking, and then you're going to be able to differentiate what is helpful from what's not helpful, what's going to help you build something that's going to sustain you over time.